You saw me taking my hair down because I had to go to a gala. Hello, good evening. I am preparing to go to bed, but before I go to bed, I have to braid my hair because I shampooed my hair with Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint shampoo, and I promised to do a braid out with clean hair. So I didn't braid and band before shampooing, but I am going to braid it now. I will come back once my braids are done and dried when I get ready to take it out, because you've seen me braid my hair before. You will see the braids afterwards and the style. I am doing this braid out as directed by Opal Made Today, because she gave some great tips for a wonderful braid out. And one of the things she said to do was to do it on clean hair. I totally agree that a braid out on clean hair comes out better and it lasts longer. Yes. So I will see you again soon. Have a good night. Well, it's been quite a day. Yes, you saw me taking my hair down because I had to go to a gala or an event this evening, and my client was coming in, and I knew I wouldn't have time to take my hair down after my client left. So I am going to show you what my hair looks like now. My 360. Looks pretty good. I think it looks this good because it was clean. I had my braids in for less than 24 hours. This is the result. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I am just really love God. He has blessed me tremendously. And I just want to say thank you, Lord, and have a good night.